Hey WooCommerce store owners! Did you know that not sending professional PDF invoices could actually hurt your brand image and even cause problems with customer trust and tax compliance? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate and automatically send WooCommerce PDF invoices, no coding, no stress, and no more manual hassle. If you run an online store, this is one tutorial you can't afford to miss. In this video, we'll cover 1. The best free plugin to automate your invoices, 2. Step-by-step setup and customization, 3. And how to make your invoices look super professional for your brand. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip to automatically attach PDF invoices to order confirmation emails, without writing a single line of code. Let's dive in. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, Add New and search for WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. Yes, that's the plugin name. It's free, trusted by over 300,000 stores, and it just works. Click Install, then Activate. Boom! You're halfway there. Once activated, head over to WooCommerce PDF Invoices. Here's where the magic happens. Under the General tab, you can choose when the invoice gets generated, like when the order is marked complete. Want it sent automatically? Tick the box that says Attach to Customer Email. Need to send a copy to yourself or your accountant? There's an option to add extra email addresses too. Now, for branding. Click the Documents Invoice tab. This is where you can 1. Upload your logo, 2. Customize the footer text, like company address or VAT info, 3. Choose whether to show the billing or shipping address, 4. Add sequential invoice numbers. And just like that, your WooCommerce store is now sending sleek, branded PDF invoices on autopilot. But here's something most people miss. Did you know this same plugin can also generate packing slips? That's right, under Documents Packing Slip, you can enable slips for your fulfillment team or warehouse. And if you want even more customization, like changing fonts, templates, or adding tax fields, there's a premium upgrade available too. But for most stores, the free version is more than enough. This ensures that every completed order email includes the invoice as a PDF. No clicking. No downloading. No chasing customers. Now your store doesn't just look more professional, it runs smoother too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I reply to everyone.